In this video, I'll show you how to write on a picture in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, we need to insert the picture. So this is the picture I'm going to insert. So I'll just drag it on my Word document. Now select the image, then click on picture format. Here click on wrap text and we need to set it on behind text. Once you do that, we need to head to the option insert, which you can see at the top. Then here click on text box and now head to the option draw text box. So just click here. Now draw a box where you want to write your text, and now here we need to click on shape fill, which we want to set on no fill. So it is up to you, like if you want to add a outline you can just set according to you, but I just don't want to add a outline, so I'll just click on no outline, then click on home, and here we need to select the color. So I'll just select the white color. It is up to you again, and once you do that, select the font, select the size according to you. So let's suppose I type here ABC for the example. Once you add your text, you can just make the box bigger, smaller according to your need, and if you want to move the box you can just do that as well. Now if you want to move the box and picture together, in that case we need to hold Ctrl from our keyboard. Once you hold Ctrl, select the box and select the image. Now you can move your image and text together. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can write on a picture in Word. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.